Today, we will be tagging along with Marine Aviation Weapons and Tactics Squadron 1 as they participate in a UH-1Y Venom Counter Unmanned Aerial Systems exercise. The Venom is a U.S. Marine Corps utility helicopter built for troop movement, fire support, escort, and combat support missions. The Venom was heavily upgraded from the H1 line with a 4-bladed composite rotor system, new engines, updated transmissions, and a digital cockpit. It uses two T700 engines rated at about 1,800 horsepower each, cruises at roughly 147 knots, and has a maximum range of about 325 nautical miles. The Venom and the UH-1Y Viper were built to work together. The two aircraft share about 84 to 85% common parts, which helps with maintenance, logistics, and expeditionary operations. For firepower, the Venom can carry door guns and Hydra 70 rockets, depending on the mission. Two of the key guns associated with the platform are the GAU-21 machine gun and the GAU-17 minigun. The GAU-21 is a 50 caliber machine gun. At about 1,100 rounds per minute, it is the heavier hitting option. The GAU-17 is a 7.62mm electrically driven rotary gun. At about 3,000 rounds per minute, it is the high volume fire option.